Hi, this is 5 minutes parenting, and this is a bouquet balloon or balloon bomb, or we call it water bomb.
It's a water balloon.
Yeah, we're gonna insert water through this
Hello, everybody.
area. Okay.
So
We
you
shall
have to
see.
put a sink
Okay,
and
here,
into this
up
bowl.
here, and gonna hold, and Julia gonna help me to on the thing. Okay, on, sorry. Yes, sorry. Okay, some more. Okay, some more.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you can see it's growing. Be careful, it's gonna pop. Okay, bigger, stronger. Okay, stronger, some more, stronger. Let go.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Okay, you can see it become a water bomb. It will grow bigger and it will pop up. Finish.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Okay, this is
One
the
just popped.
biggest.
One just
Yeah.
popped.
Yeah.
Don't pop.
One just pop. No.
Yeah.
You're gonna hold like that. Maybe pop more water.
Oh my gosh, I see some holes.
Huh?
I see holes popping.
Okay. Is it?
Oh no.
Okay, the balloon. Okay, this one quite big. It's been quite some time, so they what they call it, they stick to each other. Okay, so later we tell you the result. That's all. I'm gonna try to pop the other side.